materials, fabrication shops throughout the country look to Berry Industries for the notcher that's a notch above the rest. Berry Industries offers a complete line of notchers that provide an abundance of time and money-saving features that put profit back on the bottom line. Notchers that allow up to 75% labor cost savings with a 1-second cycle time, no tool hand adjustments, and minimal setup and reconfiguration time. Notchers that offer the versatility to handle up to 16-gauge material and the flexibility of infinite adjustment in both depth and length settings, features not found on competitive machines. It's this flexibility that allows users a large selection of notch patterns to choose from. Standard duct patterns like the 20-degree right and left-hand lock die and 40-degree V-notch, as used by residential contractors, deep notch patterns like the 90-degree right and left lock die, and 1/8-inch slot dies as used by commercial contractors, or flashing patterns with optional dabbing units to accurately mark bending locations. Another standard pattern would be the 45-degree right and left-hand tab die and the 90-degree V-notch as used by filter manufacturers. Berry Industries also offers variable degree V-notch heads, coping heads, and button punch heads as used with S-cleats and snap-lock applications. Berry Industries specializes in combining these patterns into one machine, allowing the user multiple notch patterns on the same notching machine. In addition to all this, the Berry notcher also offers optional notching heads for cutting a third side, as well as special or customized notch patterns. Whatever the need, Berry Industries strives to meet the customer's notching demands. Notching is done pneumatically with air rather than with messy, high-maintenance hydraulics, which means easy, quiet, clean, and virtually maintenance-free operation. Installation and setup is also quick and easy. Standard 110-volt 60-cycle AC electrical power or customer-preferred alternative electrical power and a minimum of 1 horsepower air compressor at 80 to 120 psi are all that is required to operate the machine. The Berry notcher even has its own built-in air tank, filter, and lubricator assembly, which are plumbed at the factory. Machines can be fitted with a quick connect adapter for fast, easy hookup. As a matter of fact, it can be from crate to operational in less than 1 hour. That's right, operational in less than 1 hour. A heavy-duty distribution manifold provides air to each of the individual notching heads. Each of the notching heads operate independently with its own air cylinder, operating mechanism, and shutoff valve. By simply turning the shutoff valve, thus cutting off the air supply, any or all of the heads can be made inoperable, eliminating the need to disconnect or remove unneeded heads. Another example of the extreme flexibility and labor-saving features of the Berry notcher. Notching head assemblies are strong, durable units featuring hardened and ground tool steel punch and die sets for longer operating life. Most sets are also reversible, virtually doubling the life expectancy. In addition, punches and dies can be returned to the factory for sharpening, again extending life and reducing operating cost. All Berry machines come standard with a deep slug bed, allowing notching heads to easily be added at any time. For instance, if a user initially purchased a residential machine and wants to update to a deep notch pattern, only the additional notching heads need to be purchased. Absolute accuracy of cut is maintained since the heads ride in a machined, self-aligning dovetail assembly, which assures a perfectly square alignment at all times. Whether adding a new head or simply making job-to-job adjustments, there is no chance of misalignment or the resulting loss of material. A permanent scale is built into the unit for setting notch spacing and notch depth. Heads can be quickly moved to the desired notch location and locked into position for a true and accurate cut. The material depth gauge is then set and secured, making the unit ready for operation. A protective mesh screen allows visibility, yet provides complete operator protection. This interlocking safety guard must be in place or the unit will not operate. The necessary personal safety attire as required by OSHA and your working environment must also be utilized. Easy foot pedal operation leaves the operator's hands free to handle the material, permitting a single operator to do the job. The foot pedal is used to activate the pneumatic operating mechanism, which makes the cut in a single second. It's that quick and easy, and once set up, production runs can be turned out as rapidly as material can be positioned. The Berry Notcher is a tough, rugged unit available in 4 sizes to meet customer demands. These sizes easily handle 4, 6, 8, and 10-foot lengths of sheet stock up to 16-gauge thick mild steel. They are also capable of cutting brass, aluminum, copper, and stainless steel. A heavy-duty 10-gauge welded frame and channel iron top provide an extremely stable work area with plenty of support, while the durable powder coat paint finish keeps the unit looking like new. In addition to the floor models, Berry Industries also provides a portable notcher. This single-head bench model is completely portable for on-site installation convenience. All standard notching patterns as well as customized models are also available. Berry Industries can also custom design a notching machine to the user's specifications, utilizing a state-of-the-art CAD system. Whether it's machine design or custom notch patterns, Berry's years of experience and design capability can provide a notcher for almost any light-gauge sheet metal application. Plus, they are American-designed and produced, machined and fabricated at Berry Industries' own facilities to assure the finest in product quality and the ultimate in customer satisfaction. So if your needs call for notching equipment, look at the one that provides more versatility than any other, the one that can save you time and money, the one that's a proven performer, the one from Berry Industries. After all, it is a notch above the rest.